What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel, the Subi fam. We're gonna be heading to the garage. We got Mitch coming. We're gonna be working on the HyperBlue, so it's gonna be a special one. Let's get to it. Alright guys, so we just pulled up to the garage. We got Sylvie, Shadow, and his HyperBlue Squirtle baby. Looking clean as hell as always, so let's jump into this video. Alright guys, if you haven't caught us in the last video, we recently did, the carbon grill from WRX Daily and the carbon APR vents, fog bezels. Super freaking clean. They're functional vents, so if you want to go check out that video on how to get those installed, I'll link it in the description. Alright guys, it's super noisy with the cars in the background, but as you guys seen, Mitch did do the Perrin Stabilizers. Getting the ass end, touched up, looking mint. Alright guys, so we're just gonna, be touching the ass end up a little bit. Mitch does have the Olm rear diffuser to install, so that's gonna be looking super clean. He also does have the front lip, the STI front lip, so hell yeah. Yeah, you'll be chilling. Alright guys, so Mitch is gonna get in, back the HyperBlue in, and we're gonna start tackling this diffuser. Oh shit, the middle? Yo, that'd be diffy.
What? Paint match middle under the grill.
Instead of the plastic?
It'll be paint match black. And then I'll just get the sequential ones you have.
That'd be diffy. Alright guys, so we're gonna get the bumper off to get obviously the Oem Diffuser on, and we did make a video on Scooby about this, so I'll just tell you guys quick. There's about 8 clips to take out to get the back bumper off. You got, one behind the tire on each side, and then you got underneath, and then you also have your 2 bolts right there that we already took out. One there, and then another one there. So now all you gotta do is take the pop clips out. Bumper should be able to pop out with just some clips, and you'll have access to tackle the diffuser. Alright guys, we got all the clips out. Mitch's gonna start popping the bumper out. Pretty simple, as he's doing right there. So I'm gonna help him get this popped. Alright guys, so we started, pulling the bumper out, but we're just gonna take the stock taillights out just to make sure, you know, we're not breaking any clips and we can finesse the bumper off the right way. So
just a little just a little bit. Finally.
all right, guys, so we got the back bumper off. You know, with taking the taillights out, it was a little bit easier just to get the bumper off and make sure, you know, no clips were broken. So now it's just gonna be easy access to be able to bolt up the new diffuser. So we're gonna start unboxing that baby and getting this bitch on. All right, guys, so this is what we're looking at right here. This is the Olm Diffuser, pretty much, you know, same exact thing as the Oem Diffuser, just, you know, off-brand, but same thing. It's the silver, super freaking clean. The only difference is it doesn't have the little STI logo. This is gonna look sick on the HyperBlue, so I just wanted to, you know, show you guys exactly what's going on here. So yeah, guys, super, you know, self-explanatory. You got your two brackets. That's gonna bolt up to the back of the Subi. We'll show you that, but I can't wait to get this thing on. It's gonna look freaking sick.
Alright, so we're taking out the top one and then the bottom one. It's gonna mount right on there like this.
Like I said, pretty self-explanatory. You got two bolts to take out on each side.
What the fuck?
There we go. Had to whip out the breaker bar.
That's scary.
Alright, guys, after fighting, you know, with both side bolts, the top bolts, hella freaking tight, we finally got it. So time to finish up this install, baby. A little hard to see, guys, but there's the bracket right there. Just tightening that baby up, then we can start bolting the diffuser on, getting the bumper back on, and finishing this up. And yeah, guys, you know, don't let just these exterior mods fool you guys. My boy Mitch has plenty of power mods coming to this build. We're just taking, you know, one step at a time. You guys know the word with the Subarus. Any part really you throw on, you got to get tuned. So we're just, you know, taking one thing at a time, making sure we do everything right. He's got, like I said, top mount, exhaust, so much stuff. I'm not even gonna get into everything, you know, detailed, but stay tuned to the channel, subscribe to the channel if you want to catch everything coming to this build. So Mitch got both brackets lined up, everything tightened down. So before we put the diffuser on, we'll put the bumper back on, taillights back in, just so, you know, you guys can get a better ideal look at it, and then we'll bolt the diffuser up. Bumper's on, Mitch is settling everything up with the clips, the trimming, looking clean. Brackets are ready for the diffuser, so let's start tackling that, finish this thing up. Oh yeah, guys. She's bolted on, she's looking sick. We'll get some slow-mos for you guys. And all right, guys, here she is, here's Squirtle. Here's how she's looking with, you know, the Oem Diffuser and the Perrin Stabilizers. Let us know what you guys think in the comments. All right, guys, let us know how she's looking. I think she's looking freaking super sick. We are going to be tackling some suspension in this car soon, so make sure you subscribe to the channel. You're keeping a lookout for the videos, but I think it looks freaking sick. The Oem Diffuser, it really just connects the ass end together with the stabilizers, clean. But he did purchase these off of Rally Sport Direct. If you guys are looking, to buy something like this, it is the OLM version, so it'll save you a pretty penny, but definitely super worth it. I highly recommend it. We freaking love the way she's coming out. I think the ass end is pretty much complete. He does have a block off plate that he will be installing soon, but literally, guys, taking the back bumper off, super easy. Like I said in the beginning of the video, it's literally just 8 clips, 2 bolts, and then you just literally pop it off, and then the diffuser is so easy to install. So if you guys love it, buy that shit up, install it up. Don't slack on it. But I think it really put the HyperBlue together. Squirtle's looking freaking sick, man. Let me know what you guys think in the comments. I think it's freaking looking dope, especially being a HyperBlue. Like I said, I'm blessed to be able to work on this car and, chill my buddy Mitch over here. And all right, guys, if you're liking the way the build is coming along, make sure you like the video and, you smash that subscribe button. It only, makes us more motivated to continue making videos and pumping out content for you guys. So truly appreciate, everybody watching the content. Subi fam out, baby.